Now we can take a look at this validation technique that's demonstrating multiple comparison operators working together. It says if 0 is less than or equal to theory index less than len theories. That's all on that one if line, followed by the colon, of course. We're demonstrating chained comparison operators here, and this is one of Python's elegant ways to validate that values fall within an acceptable range, using multiple boundary checks in a single readable expression. So with the less than or equal to initial 0 to theory index, it's using that inclusive lower bound, and the less than len theories checks that the index is less than the total number of theories, which is an exclusive upper bound. This is not less than or equal to. And Python will evaluate both conditions together, and the value has to satisfy both comparisons. Create a safe array indexing through boundary validation this way. The condition ensures theory index is a valid list position, not negative, and not beyond the list length. So we see how range validation demonstrates comparison operators creating safe, reliable user input, processing that prevents index errors. It's like being proactive while maintaining clean, readable code.